Well, this little number is part of the weird science of the 8 or 9 year old that the type of thing I would try. And this one was an attempt to have a sledding science in July. Now, as anyone knows, you really need snow to go sleigh riding. But when I was 8 or 9, I was my young version of Elon Musk without the intelligence and certainly without the science to back it. All I had is a dream. I I was trying to figure out how to put mice into space. I was trying to jump out of trees with my own parachute of a hanky. And this attempt was something that I thought would work. I had a like a flexible flyer sled in front of my house, and it was July. And I love sleigh riding, but I couldn't do it when the grass was green and there was no snow. Should be obvious. But what happened? I had a special kind of flexible flyer sled that had like aluminum pontoons instead of basically thin runners. So I thought because these aluminum runners were thick and rectangular, that I could overcome by speed the friction of the lawn because I could slide on the lawn pretty good in my clothes, but I never tried it with a sled. So, with that much background, I decided to take a nice long running start. And with that running start, I ran about maybe 25 feet at high speed, as high as I could run, and threw the sled down like I would on a hill in the winter. Bad idea. As you can see, my laboratory as an 8 year old behind me was very primitive, and I had no concept of what I was doing. So as I threw this thing down, it crashed to a resounding stop. It just dug right into the earth. I bashed my teeth on the end of the sled and flipped over 180 degrees flat on my back, like, and I said, holy shit, this doesn't work. What a failure. And so it was just another attempt to explore the universe with an 8 year old brain that was more hungry than it was smart. And I learned that you don't sleigh ride in July. So I'd like to hear if anybody else did any other wild experiments. Because I had also done one where I tried to fry a frozen hot dog in, I'd say 10 seconds. I heard that you could fry a hot dog by plugging it into an extension cord and plugging it into the wall. And I did that. And sure enough, the hot dog danced on a plate and sparks were flying. And then the fuses blew in the house and the whole house went dark. So who else was as stupid as I was? That's what I really want to know. Send me your comments because I couldn't be the only one who tried stupid stuff thinking it would work. That's all for this one. Bye bye.